Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Sephora Cream Lip Stain. Now this lip stain is said to be a silky, long-lasting lip stain that keeps lips covered with bold color from AM to PM, and on the website it says that there is no need to reapply or touch up throughout the day. So before we get into whether I agree with that, this is, I got this at Sephora, but you can also get it on Amazon. The color that I have is Rock and Purple, and this comes in so many different shades. It comes in 78 matte shades and 12 metallic shades, which are kind of more of a satin finish. So that is 100 shades altogether, which is crazy ridiculous. The possibilities are truly endless with this. So it is said that this is to have high coverage, which it really actually does. It glides on very, very smoothly, and it's very lightweight. It has a creamy texture when you first put it on, and then that kind of turns into like a silky, lightweight stain, which is really, really cool. It's actually made with avocado oil, which is really interesting to me, and I think that that is what actually gives it the long-lasting formula that it delivers. It has very, very rich color, and it's just really comfortable. It's not sticky, and it doesn't dry your lips out like most of the lipsticks do. That's like my thing. I love lipstick and I love lip stains, but I just feel like they always dry my lips out so much. But this one actually, it really doesn't do that, which is really cool. So yeah, let me open this up. Oh wow, that's interesting that just happened. So let me open this up here. I've had this for a little while, if you can't tell, and that is the first time that has ever happened. So just word to the wise. The lid just came attached, just came off from this part. Looks like it's still usable though. This is a little bit sticky. I guess it was glued in there. Okay. Well, that's that. So this is what the wand looks like. It is got a little bit of an angle. It's kind of a thicker brush. It's not quite as small, but it still gives her pretty, because of the angle here, it still gives pretty precise application. I love angled brushes. I just think that it's much easier to apply your lipstick onto like the Cupid's bow on your lips. So yeah, it is a pretty small container, but like I said, I've had it for a while. Compare it to like the size of like a standard nail polish. It's probably, it's a little bit taller. It's a pretty small tube. It's super, super portable. Like I said, I think the color that I have is Rock and Purple, which is really great. It is actually made in Italy. So yeah, this is just really cool. It dries very, very quickly. I can go ahead and show you actually how quickly that dries. Oh, there we go. It just needed to stick a little bit again. Do a little swatch. You can see that color is just like in one stroke. It's pretty amazing. It's very, very pigmented, and it dries very quickly. So wait for that. Give it a little bit of time to dry before we test it out so I can show you. So yeah, and it does last for several hours. I have put this on in the morning, and then I eat breakfast, and it makes it through breakfast, and then I eat lunch, and it makes it through lunch. It's one of the, in my opinion, one of the best liquid lipsticks that I've used. But yeah, you can only get it in a couple of different places. It lasts a while. I've probably had this at least a year, but of course, you know, it's pretty bold color. It's pretty bold color, so I don't use it every single day, but it's not like just a couple times use and then it's done. But yeah, I definitely need to get this in more colors. I only have a couple different colors. I have also a red one, and that one's in a sample size though, so it doesn't last quite as long. That one was only good for a couple uses. It's very, very matte. This one is very matte, as you can see. So yeah, it's a great lipstick. If you're looking for something that you are going to be able to wash off at the end of the night though, this is not for you because it's going to be very difficult. I usually have to like really scrub to get it off. But oh my gosh, just look at that color. It is so pretty. So yeah, and like I said, the main ingredient here, it is avocado oil, which is very interesting. And I will say, because of the matte finish, I think that it stains your lip and that it's like very long lasting. I don't know if it's like an actual lip stain though, because I feel like for me, lip stains, if I wash it off, the color, I can still kind of see the color, but when I do get this off, the color is completely gone. So it is more like just a liquid to matte lipstick than an actual stain, but the colors are amazing. It goes on well, and it's just as matte can get. I haven't tried any of the metallic or satin ones. Those will definitely be next because I love this one. So yeah, this is and that is dry already. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review, and thanks for watching.